accent. Yes.
That's it. We know what we are there for, right? So that is the context. Also, the context could be the words that the waitress could actually understand. Which words do you think she could understand from the whole conversation? Which words were easy for her to understand, for the waitress to understand?
Like orange, naranja.
Naranja, which is a naranja, but that is very similar, no problem.
Sandwich.
Sandwich, exactly. Was there a problem with tomate? No. That's very, very clear. Yes. So the waitress had a big picture of the whole thing, but there were holes or gaps in that big picture that she needed to fill in. So she used these contextual clues and, of course, the efforts that the speaker made to provide these clues to be able to fill in these gaps or holes in the information she had. So this is all very important. When we see the sketch, we laugh, but actually we should learn a lesson from that. So what is the lesson that we as prospective teachers should be learning from all this? For example, what are the implications in teaching that we can learn from this? Let me ask you a question. Considering the learner's pronunciation, what should you aim at? What should be your target?
Intelligibility.
Very good. Intelligibility, yes? Not, for example, native-like pronunciation. This is not what we expect, but yes, intelligibility. But in order to help our students get a degree of intelligibility, we need first to acquire or learn about this ourselves as teachers. The teacher has to be intelligible to begin with, yes, and consistent. And why? Do you think all students have native speakers as models for the learning of English?
No, most of them don't.
Who is usually the model they have?
The teacher.
So imagine the position of the teacher. It is a big responsibility for the teacher, right? So this training in pronunciation is really, really essential, as it is a solid training in phonetics and phonology. Why? What can we do if we know phonetics and phonology?
We can be good examples for our learners.
Yes, we can be good examples because we have good pronunciation, but also because we can detect the problems that students have with pronunciation. We can